4.5 word basket. A. Look, listen and repeat. Look, listen and repeat. Bus, bus. Cup, cup. Sun, sun. Hut, hut. Rug, rug. Bus, bus, bus. Cup, cup, cup. Sun, sun, sun. Hut, hut, hut. Rug, rug, rug. B. Look at the picture and match them with their name. Look and match. Rug, sun, bus, cup, hut. Bus, cup, sun, hut, rug. Rug, rug. Sun, sun. Bus, bus. Cup, cup. Hut, hut. C. Read aloud and match the same word. bun, bun. cup, cup. fun, fun. gun. mud. run. sun. hut. nut. bud. bus. mug. Fun, fun. Bun, bun. Cup, cup. Gun, gun. Mud, mud. Run, run. Sun, sun. Hut, hut. Nut, nut. Bud, bud. Bus, bus. Mug, mug.